Yo boys, what's good? About to slap the motor back in the pre-bug. Let's turn down the Coast Contra channel right quick. Slapping this baby back into this baby. Let's make it happen. Oh, that looks like it's the one. Line that little guy up just right. Yup, got her in, boy. Oh, let's go to the rest of the way. Yup. Can we get that thing on while it's in there or not? Is the question. I don't know if I could put these son bitches on. That motor already in there. Kind of a pain in the dick. I have all this other plastic off, so it's so much easier pulling it off when the motor's off. Well, let's see where this thing goes. Got the swing arm motor bolt in there. Just throwing on the air shroud now. Almost thought I'd burn myself having to pull the motor out to put it back on, but no. Ooh, that thing looks rough. Almost stripped on that one. And we got the shock still to toss on there. Where we at? Right here. What we got? 14? No, looks like a 12 or something. Yup. Sweet. Motor is. I think we could just take this motor carrier off. Actually, you know what? Let me quickly throw on this fresh choke mechanism. Huh. That looks a little different. Oh, what? Here we go. Alright, boys. Got the pre-bug motor in. I'm not even going to try to start this thing tonight. I don't know, we pulled out the oil injection and it says straight gas in here right now. We still haven't pulled out the actual oil jug, but that'll be a project coming soon. This is the homie's bike now, sold to him, and we just put some crank seal bearings, not bearings, just crank seals in, different carb, and that's it. All new belt. Oh, manifold. The new intake manifold. The boot was cracked. And that's about it. Well, hope you guys liked the little impromptu video there. Just had to put that motor in my buddy's bike, get it off of here. It's been here for like a month or two. And like and subscribe. I'll put some more how-to videos out there, a little more in-depth. That was kind of just a quick one. Just wanted to bang it out.